Hello everyone, I'm bringing to you MindFire's new product portal, which brings together all of our products under the one umbrella. So for users such as yourselves that are using multiple products such as Studio, DaVinci, etc., you can now seamlessly access all the products of MindFire from inside of the same portal instead of having to jump around, log into one versus log into other. It's all handled through a single sign-on. So let me give you a quick example here, a quick demonstration here. Let me log into one of my test accounts and show you. First thing that comes up is the dashboard. This is a campaign, or this is an test account that I've been using in the month of May and June extensively. So I'm just going to change the date here because there's no reason. Okay, you can see the dashboard. It has a lot of options for you here. And again, I'm not going to go through the details of the dashboard right now. That's probably a separate conversation. But you have access to this wonderful dashboard. Or a set of dashboards rather, up to 4 that you can use and then modify according to your need. Let's go to the most exciting part, which is the My Campaigns, where you can see all of your campaigns. You can see if you have created a campaign using Studio, which is now known as the Workflow Designer, or DaVinci, which is now known as the Blueprint Editor. They all show up here. You can change how many you display in one page. If you open a campaign that was created in Studio, it's going to open it up directly in the Workflow Designer. There, if I go back and look at one of the campaigns that was created using one of the blueprints, then the system gives you an option to open it either inside of the Workflow Designer or inside of the blueprint itself. And if you choose the blueprint, it will open it up in the blueprint and let you edit it. Some of our customers do make additional adjustments, additional workflow elements you guys use over and above what the blueprints offer. So for people like you, you can always open the campaign in the Workflow Designer, and it will open the same campaign up inside of the Workflow Designer, which we used to call Studio. The other elements such as contact management are here, where you can just, as before, upload contacts and handle that. We also have the Asset Manager located here, where again, same as before, you can use the assets. And what's wonderful now is that you should be able to also use these assets inside of your Workflow Designer. Your settings is right here. So all of these things have come together under the same platform. We hope you enjoy it, and if you have any questions, do not hesitate to give us a call. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.